Part two of our Christmas fruit mince pies. They've been in the oven for about 12 minutes. As I was saying in part one, is that depending on your oven, they could take between 10 to 15 minutes to cook through. So we started with the pastry. You guys saw me doing the pastry. We also had the fruit mince filling as well, which has been done. And now I have to tell you guys, my kitchen smells like Christmas. It smells like the most beautiful, wonderful Christmas aromas, because we had the mixed spice in there, we also had the cinnamon in there, and now we have that wonderful fruit mince that's just flavored my house quite spectacularly. So what has happened after that little bit of time? Come on down and have a bit of a look. So remember, we're only doing 6, and in here, even though it does more, the recipe does more, in here I have my little fruit mince. Let's have a little bit of a look at them. So I'm using this little instrument here to get them out, just because they're quite delicate. So I'm just pulling them out, just like that, and then we have it nicely brown around the edge. You can also see they've got a nice color on top as well. And the pastry, as I was saying, is really, really robust. So you can get a really cool, rustic looking fruit mince pie. And definitely when it comes to our fruit mince, I'm just seeing if they're all coming out wonderfully easily. When it comes to our fruit mince pie, it's a really good idea to allow these to cool. So my suggestion is that you go to your wire rack, just like that. And then you take them out and you allow them to cool down. Oh, this one's a bit sticky. This one's a bit sticky. Oh, come on. You can do it. You can do it. I'm not going to let it beat me. That's why these are so cool, that you actually can get right around your mince pie quite easily. Ooh. Actually, here's a really sticky one. That's probably going to be the best one to eat, because look, you can even see the little threads of goodness coming off there. So we're going to allow them to cool. Ooh, hi. Oh, he fell out. That's all right too. We'll just put him back in. Bit of surgery on him. There we go. It's a really good idea. Oh, sorry guys, I need to turn off the alarm. I'm not going to say. Oops. Normally I would tell the alarm to turn off, but if I do that, I might send all your Google, if you guys use Google, I might send it into overload. I said Google, and then Google just stopped things. I said it again. I'm not going to say anything anymore. Shh, don't say anything. Right, they're on here, and they're cooling down. Ideal, right? Ideal. The only last thing that you need to do, and by the way, these little tarts will last you such a long time, because remember, they're vegan. There's no butter or egg in there or anything like that. They're completely vegan. And the only thing else you might want to do, and I actually like to use a tea strainer for this. I find it quite easy. It's to dust it with a bit of inulin, but like literally, I just go like that with my tea strainer, and then you can just do a little dust on top. Just a little bit of snow always helps. Helps quite nicely. And there you have these most incredible and absolutely delicious and wonderful little fruit mince pies. We can put them onto a little stand, looking very, very cute. Ideally, you know, you eat these for Christmas, but I'm one of these people, I'm like, why do we only eat fruit mince for Christmas? I'd eat that any time of the day. So there you go. These are wonderful. Enjoy that pastry recipe as well, because that is going to make you any type of sweet pastry that you could possibly want. Enjoy that. Enjoy these. Let them cool down before you bite into them, because they will be extremely hot. So even though you look at that and you go, yep, I need to smash that right now, just be mindful that that's hot filling in there. So you may want to wait just a little bit to let it cool down before you go into it. But thank you for joining me today on today's class. Tomorrow's class, which is day 8 of our 12 cooking days to Christmas, we are going to make the best king prawns you have ever had in your life. If you are not familiar with prawns, there is another word for them, and they're giant shrimps. So we're going to be cooking some classic Aussie king prawns, and I guarantee you these are going to be the best prawns you have ever eaten in your life. Please join me tomorrow, coming to you at around about the same time as tonight. We're going to be doing king prawns, because what Christmas table, especially here in Australia, is complete without the wonderful prawn on there as well. So join me tomorrow. Thank you for joining me tonight. I hope you've enjoyed tonight's class. If you're after the ebook, it's bridgetshealthychristmas.com. You can still get the ebook. It's still available, and I will see you guys. Oh, don't forget, tomorrow Q&A Fridays as well at lunchtime. So Q&A Fridays at lunchtime, and then we're doing our king prawn masterclass in the evening. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. Take care and enjoy the rest of your night. Bye guys. Bye.